So the question is, find the equation of line passes through these 2 points. And in order to find the equation, you need 2 things. Do you remember? What are those 2 things?
The formula.
Yeah, let me write down the equation. This is slope-intercept form of um, the line, right? Equation of the line in a slope-intercept form. So we need slope m and the y-intercept b. These 2 things are required to find the equation of the line which passes through these 2 points. Now we already know that in order to find b, which is the y-intercept, let's do the m because that's easy. We find m, the slope, and we know that slope is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1.
Yes.
Y2 minus y1 um, is your,
Yeah.
yeah, that's your rise, right? And divided
Yep.
by run is x2 minus x1.
Uh-huh.
Now I write down the y2 y1. I can name any one of these points, x1 y1 x2 y2. So randomly I name this as x1 and that's y2, sorry, y1, this is x2, and negative 4 is y2. Now you do y2, which is negative 4, minus sign y1, which is just 4, divided by x2, which is 1, and minus sign x1, which is negative 3. So
Oh.
yeah, now we solve that part. Negative 4 is negative 8, divided by 1 plus 3. Negative turns into positive. So we got negative 8 divided by 4. And 8 divided by 4 is minus 2. So minus 2 is the slope of the line which passes through these 2 points, right? Passes through these 2 points. Now we have the slope. Slope is minus 2. You see that? Can you hear me?
Yes. Yes.
All right, good.
We're,
Now
but your screen is frozen.
screen is frozen. Probably it's kind of, your speed. Your speed is not that fast, or internet speed could cause those kind of things. Um, um, Whenever that happen, hold and then pause the call. Sometimes that work. Okay. And now, anyways, I'm trying to get rid of that. Anyways, so we have y equals to. Now I substitute my m in here. This is my m, and I substitute my m in here. So y equals to minus 2 x
Oh,
plus
so
b.
m equals to minus 2.
Yep, yep.
Okay. Now let's find y.
B, not y. We have to find b, or you can call it y-intercept, yeah.
Okay.
So
Okay.
now I substituted the m value. In order to find b, we substitute one of the points. So we have these 2 points. You can pick any one of this point or that one and put them in this line. So I put or substitute minus 3, 4 in the equation. Let me call it star. So we put them in the star because this point lies on the line. So it must
Mm.
satisfy that. And minus 3 is x component, 4 is y component. So we substitute
So what's
y, and the x component is minus 3. What you were asking?
Yeah, I was just asking for y. I mean x.
Yeah, x is the first component and the y is second component. Now
So for x, does it always have to be the first one?
Yep, x is always first component and the y is for always, like here we have y component, this is the x. So I chose that point, but you can pick this one. So
You'll get this.
yeah, I picked the first one and I substituted it in this equation and
Okay.
it gave me that, and now I simplified. I move this 6 to the left hand side, so I get 4 minus 6 equals to b. Therefore my b is negative 2. Now I have my b value, I have my m value, so both of the values are there, this one and that one. So you substitute these values into the equation, like let's say substitute in the star this equation. So therefore equation of the line which passes through those 2 points which we have in the beginning, these 2 points, is gonna be y equals to minus 2x, right? Minus 2x plus b, and the b is minus 2. So basically you substitute this value and the slope, both of them, into the equation, and we got that thing. Does it make sense to you? You understand it?
Yeah.
Good. So let me...
No, I'm just trying to finish the equation, like, by myself.
Okay.
So I can understand better.
Good.
But I did understand it.
Very good. So now we're gonna move to another
The
problem.
next question, like the question you gave me on the homework.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.